Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in Solidworks. This detail drawing from the Solidworks website. You can download from the website. Okay, let's start. Select from data play. Create new sketch. Create rectangle. Smart dimensions 28, 24. Next, we extrude the dimension 24 and middle play. Okay. Next, we create new sketch. Select right play. Create new sketch. Normal to sketch play. Create circle. Extrude. The dimension 40. Okay. Next, we fillet. Select this edge. Dimension 12. Okay. Create new sketch. Select front play. Normal to play. Create circle. Dimension extrude cut. Through all bolts, and we need fillet side to cut. Need cut this side. Fillet. Okay. Create new sketch. Select top play. Create a solid. Smart dimension 12. 40. Select this A line horizontal. Smart dimension 'Future'. Extrude cut. Reversed. From offside. Dimension 6 millimeter. Okay. Next, we select this face, create a new sketch, create a circle, smart dimension 6.6. Okay. Filter, extrude cut. Next, we create the side curve. Create new sketch. Select this face, sketch. No more to play. Create a circle. Smart dimension 80. Filter, extrude cut. Dimension 10 millimeter. Okay. Next, select this face, create a new sketch. No more to play. Create a circle. Smart dimension 6.6. Extrude cut. Slow all. Okay. Select this face, create a new sketch. No more to play. Create a circle. Dimension 11. Okay. Filter, cut. From offset this 15. Okay. Next, fillet. Select this 2 millimeter. This edge. This edge. Okay. Change the color. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.